When it comes to storing vegetables, especially in homes with limited space, creativity and smart planning can transform even the smallest kitchens into efficient hubs for fresh produce. Whether you're a passionate cook, a health-conscious eater, or someone simply trying to make the most of what you have, space-saving vegetable storage solutions can make all the difference in maintaining freshness, maximizing convenience, and reducing waste. Let's explore practical, innovative ways to keep your vegetables organized and accessible, no matter the size of your kitchen. To begin, it's important to understand the unique needs of different vegetables. Not all produce should be stored in the same way. Some thrive in cool, dark places, while others prefer room temperature. Before you start reorganizing, take stock of the types of vegetables you buy most often and learn their ideal storage conditions. Potatoes, onions, and garlic, for instance, are best kept in a dry, ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Leafy greens and most root vegetables, on the other hand, benefit from refrigeration. Knowing these basics forms the foundation of effective storage. For those with limited cabinet and countertop space, utilizing vertical storage is a game changer. Consider installing floating shelves or narrow racks on unused wall space. These can hold baskets or bins for onions, potatoes, and squash, freeing up valuable counter space. Wall-mounted wire baskets are especially useful as they allow air to circulate around the vegetables, reducing the risk of spoilage. Tiered hanging baskets, often found in produce markets, work wonders when suspended from the ceiling or under cabinets, creating attractive and accessible storage for items like tomatoes, apples, and garlic. Inside your cabinets, maximize capacity by using stackable bins and organizers. Clear stackable containers make it easy to see what you have, minimizing the chances of forgotten produce going to waste. Label each bin with the type of vegetable and the date of purchase to keep track of freshness. Drawer dividers are another simple yet effective solution. By separating different types of vegetables within the same drawer, you prevent cross-contamination and make it easier to grab what you need when cooking. For refrigerators, space-saving solutions start with smart arrangement. Use clear plastic bins or pull-out drawers to organize vegetables by type. Leafy greens can be wrapped in paper towels to absorb excess moisture and kept in sealable bags or designated crispers. Carrots, celery, and radishes can be stored in jars of water to maintain their crunch and extend shelf life. If your fridge has adjustable shelves, move them to accommodate taller containers or baskets, creating room for bulky items like cabbage or cauliflower. If you're short on fridge space, consider a countertop produce keeper. These compact, ventilated containers are designed to prolong the freshness of certain vegetables like tomatoes, avocados, and peppers, which don't require refrigeration. They come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to store more in less space. Some feature stacking capabilities or modular designs, perfect for fitting into narrow spaces or corners. For root vegetables and tubers, a small, dedicated storage cart can be highly effective. Rolling carts with multiple tiers can be tucked into tight spaces or pulled out when needed. Mesh baskets on these carts provide airflow, which is crucial for items like potatoes and onions. The mobility of the cart makes it easy to clean underneath and rearrange your kitchen as needed. Don't overlook the potential of your pantry, even if it's just a simple cupboard or shelf. Invest in slim, pull-out pantry organizers that slide out to reveal stored vegetables. These can be installed between appliances or in narrow gaps, making use of space that would otherwise go unused. Use stackable crates or bins to separate and organize produce, ensuring that each type is stored according to its specific needs. If you're dealing with truly minimal space, get creative with multi-purpose furniture. Benches with built-in storage or kitchen islands with hidden drawers can provide extra room for vegetables. Even a small pot rack can double as a vegetable holder, especially for items like garlic or shallots that hang well. For those who want to take their vegetable storage to the next level, consider DIY solutions. Repurposing old wooden crates into stackable storage bins or using mason jars for smaller items like cherry tomatoes and snap peas adds a personalized touch to your kitchen while saving space. Magnetic strips or hooks attached to the side of your fridge can hold mesh bags of onions or garlic, keeping them off the counter. Another innovative approach is to use undershelf baskets. These slide onto existing shelves, adding an extra layer of storage for lightweight vegetables such as mushrooms, herbs, or small peppers. The baskets can be easily removed for cleaning and restocking. When storing vegetables, remember to keep them away from heat sources like ovens or direct sunlight, which can cause spoilage. Pay attention to humidity levels. Too much moisture can lead to mold, while too little can cause shriveling. If your kitchen tends to be humid, consider using desiccant packs or placing a small bowl of rice in bins to absorb excess moisture. For urban dwellers with limited indoor space, a small balcony or windowsill can become a mini storage zone. Use weatherproof bins or baskets for hardier vegetables like potatoes, onions, and winter squash. If you have a garden, harvesting and storing vegetables in small, stackable crates can help you manage the influx of produce during harvest season. Finally, regular rotation is key. When you bring home new vegetables, move older ones to the front or top of your storage bins to ensure they're used first. This simple habit reduces waste and keeps your storage system organized. Space-saving, vegetable storage solutions are more than just a matter of tidiness. They help preserve the freshness, flavor, and nutritional value of your food. With a combination of vertical storage, stackable containers, multi-purpose furniture, and strategic placement, even the smallest kitchen can become an efficient, organized space for healthy eating. By understanding the needs of each vegetable and using every available nook and cranny, you can enjoy the benefits of fresh produce, reduce waste, and make your kitchen a welcoming place to prepare delicious meals. Whether you're working with a spacious pantry or a tiny apartment kitchen, these strategies allow you to creatively store and access your vegetables, ensuring that every meal starts with the freshest ingredients possible. With thoughtful planning and a few clever solutions, managing your vegetable storage becomes simple, satisfying, and truly space efficient.